Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Today is September 7th, 2021. My name is Bojan Petreski. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary today for the using tradictive technology on our Trade with UFOs channel. The disclaimer is there for your information, your use, your protection. Please, read it, understand it before we get started. Of course, this is a 3D market commentary session. We will not be taking any trades in this session. However, we will be analyzing the markets as if we were looking at these charts to be as we would analyze them in our trading sessions. So, this is the newsletter that you would receive in your email daily, Monday through Friday, as long as you sign up for the free membership with Trade with UFOs. If you would like to know more information about that, you can simply go to tradewithufos.com/Boyan to access that link. For the 3D market commentary, we are calling it 3D because we are looking at three dimensions. We're looking at the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. So the market climate gives us that upcoming, market direction. Should we be going long, or should we be looking for short opportunities, or should we just be sitting on our hands and doing nothing, right? Because not trading sometimes is the right trading decision. The buy and sell UFOs, those unfilled orders, right? The proprietary and patented technology that we have that is responsible for upcoming turning points, entries, or exits. And then, of course, market volatility, the upcoming price change, speed, the risk, the reward, adjustments that need to be taken should that market volatility increase or decrease. And those three combined give us this the 3D market commentary. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the first one. The first one is the S&P that we'll be looking at. Sorry, just 1 second, please. Here. Go. All right. So the S&P 500, the market climate is up. It is confirmed, as we see here. Right. It's a thick blue dot. That means it's a confirmed up climate. However, it is the 11th day up that we've had out of typically 9, according to our market climate. So that means it's past its sensible point. That's the key word that we use, things that make sense and things that become hopeful. And right now, the S&P is in hopeful territory on the daily time frame climate here, right? It's gone 11 days up out of typically 9. We don't have any sell UFOs, again, because we are sitting or pushing around all-time highs. The nearest buy UFO, the buy unfilled orders are down here at 4440.5 to 4347.75. So that area right there is our nearest buy UFO. Obviously, we do have some more down below, but the nearest one is the one that I just mentioned at 4440.5. According to the VIX, we're just a smidge over the 18% number, that 18% number being the threshold between high and low volatility. So we're sitting just below it. Again, these all-time highs, they've been pushed. It's been, stagnant again. Another small push, and now stagnant again days. So there, I would say this is just kind of priming itself up for either a little bit more volatility and then a shot up, or maybe a shot down with a retest. So we're going to see what's going to happen. But we're seeing these. We saw a similar situation happen here where we had very very slow all-time high movement, only to see it then shoot up again and again and again. So it's very hard to kind of figure out what's going on with this market exactly when it's a little more difficult, I would say. But right now we are there. We are at those all-time highs, but it's making slower moves up. That's what's key here. It's making slower moves up. All right. Now, if you're looking for education, please look no further than here. We have future stocks, forex, backtesting trading plans, and trading psychology courses available for you. You can access them at this link here, and they do come with a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate, which I think that in itself is really just worth the money. Um, so check it out. That is the link right there. All right. Next one we're going to look at is crude oil. All right. So crude oil is currently in an unconfirmed market climate for basically the past week and a half. We had a strong push down, strong push back up, right? And now we're just kind of sitting a little idle here, right? We're just going into this sideways action right there. So nothing right now, I would say, that's extremely attractive to crude oil. And one thing that comes to mind is that 70 number failed. Again, last time we tried to push up to it, it went all the way down to the 62s. Now it pushed up again to it, and again failed. So we're gonna see what's going to happen. As far as auto UFOs, we do have one at 72.93 to 74.23, and a buy UFO 60.77 to 58.73. And then based on the market volatility on the OVX, we're looking at 36.91% with a daily expected move of $1.59, which I believe has already been achieved, 69.48 to a 67.64. Yeah, that's close to $2 really. And this is before crude oil opens. It's currently down negative 1.78%. All right, now if you're looking just, as I said, our proprietary and patented technology that we utilize, uh, this is the link to access that. We offer monthly or yearly memberships. And then, of course, UFOs are available on TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader 5, and a soon to come announcement platform. So stay tuned for that on our channel. Okay, now the next one we're going to look at is gold. All right. All right, so a very kind of similar situation, I would say, with these guys, with gold and crude oil. Um, we really are kind of stuck in this range. I mean, we are seeing big moves up and big moves down. So on the lower time frames, on the intraday time frames, we are seeing some opportunities. But right now, gold is sitting within this UFO here from 1866 even to 1804.4. And then right below is 1800.4 to 1781.3. It is an up climate. It is confirmed, and it's by the count of the software, the 16th day out of 6.12. By my count, it's only the second day out of typically 7. Okay, based on GVZ, 14.95%. And the reason why I say my count is usually when there's an interruption in the climate like this, right? You see that there's these unconfirmed candles here, even though they're blue. Um, I typically don't consider those in my trading. Of course, in your trading, you are free to choose what you would like to do. All right, if you need coaching or support, please access what we offer here, which is the All Asset Advanced Coaching, using this link here. We have daily live trading sessions that we have that are running on our channel, really compatible with most time zones. Um, but also we offer advanced coaching, all asset advanced coaching, that you can sign up using this link here and request a session with any one of the instructors that you may have seen on any of our sessions. And you might have thought, hey, I want to get some more one-on-one with this guy or this gal before committing to it. So definitely check it out. A lot of cool stuff there. And of course, this comes in monthly, yearly, or all-inclusive memberships. So take a look. Let me know what you think. All right. The dollar index is in a down climate. It is confirmed. It's the 7th day down out of typically 6. So we're just getting into a little bit of hopeful territory. Oh yeah. That's what I'm like. Wait a minute. I see 6. Yeah, there's one unconfirmed. So 6 out of 6 would be on my count. But either way, tomorrow will most likely be looking like a hopeful day. The sell UFO is right here at 92,395 to 92,790. Buy UFO down below at 90.64 to 93.10. EVZ is telling us it's at 5.07%. Daily expected move of 29 cents is most likely already been achieved. High of 92.38, low of 92.105 definitely has been. All right. I know a lot of people probably don't trade the dollar index, but it's, especially for forex traders, it's important to understand what the dollar is doing because it's most likely affecting, whatever pair you're trading in some way, shape, or form. So definitely always kind of have like a little chart of the dollar index kind of handy just to see how it's doing. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview, you can certainly join us here on YouTube. That's the link right there. Um, my colleague Becky and I do these commentaries daily. So definitely check it out. Use this link here to like and subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, last but not least, we got Bitcoin. Okay, so we have a confirmed climate. Excuse me. It is a confirmed climate, the fourth day up out of to be determined. We have sell UFOs up above at 54,500 to 57,975, and a buy UFO down below that's been tested 47,167 to 43,945. And of course, that was kind of that launch area where um, the big move up towards the 50,000s happened. According to BVIN, we're at 91%. That's not something to be shying away from when it comes to Bitcoin. Um, Looking at the past couple of days, right, we actually had a pretty staggering move up into the 52,000s, only to close down below at the 50,000s. Similar situation, we've had an open again right there at the 52,000s, only to close down to the 50,000. So there's still a lot of selling pressure here. There's still a lot of potential sellers at that round number over 50,000, but it looks like we're trying to hold on and keep closing above these 50,000s to kind of keep it there and keep going higher. All right. As of right now, we have 4 days out of typically, as I said, to be determined. So we'll see how it's going to react. Okay, now if you're interested in anything that we've discussed here, anything we've gone over, you may schedule a clarification call using this link to discuss anything when it comes to courses, apps, coaching, or memberships. All right, and that's that for the overview for today. Looking at the news for this week, so we do have some Aussie news, some Euro news. GDP looks like it's coming up today. I think it's probably already posted. CAD, Bank of Canada rate decisions, CPI in China, interest rate decisions in Europe, speech over there in Canada, and then a few more things on Friday in Europe and Canada. So not a whole lot going on for news for the U.S. market this week. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a wonderful time with the session today, and I hope to catch you soon in the next session, which is the futures for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.